You're watching Truth versus Hype. We're in Maharashtra, which is witnessing for the first time a four-way fight. On the ground though, the reality is more complex. Yes, there's plenty of bitterness, especially between the Shiv Sena and the BJP. But equally, a very large number of candidates who've switched sides across parties has created confusing choices for the voter. Over the next 30 minutes, a journey through the bewildering, divided battleground Maharashtra. At a Shiv Sena outpost in Borivali in North Mumbai, a late-night halt by Aditya Thackeray. This is alien turf for the Sena. Borivali, with a high number of Gujaratis and Marwadis, is a BJP stronghold.
आखिर मुंबई की सभी सीटें छोड़ दो, खाली ये बोरीवली की आप वाह बोरीवली का सीट देखो आप, स्ट्रॉन्ग बीजेपी.
In 2009, despite the Raj Thackeray factor, the BJP's Gopal Shetty won by 30,000 votes. He is now an MP.
देखो देखो कौन आया है विनोद तावड़े जी आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
This time the BJP candidate is Vinod Tavade, a potential chief ministerial aspirant. Aditya is here because Borivali has become a grudge battle. Tavade is one of the BJP leaders the Sena blames for breaking the alliance.
We're not here to make anyone lose. We're hoping for our own victory because if you make anyone else lose, someone else might win. We want to go and win. We don't want to defeat anyone. The point about 3-4 leaders, everyone knows who they are. Even the state BJP doesn't trust those leaders.
Is that a fair comment that there were a group of you that were responsible for the breakup?
I think the responsibility of the breakup, I may say, the day when Shiv Sainik's pressed for Thackeray family name for the CM post. That day, the flexibility of seat sharing was lost. Never any member of Thackeray family had aimed for the post of chief minister or mayor or MP or anything.
Okay.
So when that name came, the flexibility for seat sharing was totally jammed.
And yet to take on the BJP in Borivali, the Sena had to fall back on a BJP import. Uttam Agarwal, a high-profile chartered accountant, bitter at not getting the Borivali seat. BJP says you were part of them, then you ditched them and you came to the Shiv Sena because you didn't get a ticket. Is that the truth?
I never ditched them. They have not respected me.
BJP didn't respect you?
No, that is the reason. You ask them, buddy, how many people were in the line, whether they were even the 5% of my caliber of my networking. What I ditched them? They don't know how to respect the educated people. They want to serve the whole state and country.
No, I don't think Uttam has a strong candidate because he was basically a BJP worker.
I know,
he has worked with us.
He said he was betrayed.
And if he's CA, I'm an electronics engineer. So I'm also a well-educated person. So I don't take that as a challenge.
As Agarwal does the rounds with a small but noisy team, it's unclear if the Sena has a ground network in a seat it's not fought for almost 2 decades. Last time BJP candidate won from here with a very big margin.
Yes.
But that shows that BJP has strong
No,
presence
that
here.
is why I say you go and visit the whole Borivali East and West. See their polling, election office and their rally. You'll come to know.
You're saying that last time भी जो BJP
All
का
last
जीत हुआ था
25 years in the whole Maharashtra, not in
वो
Borivali.
वो सेना के वजह से जीत हुआ
किल
था.
सेना से और 19 तारीख को आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि उनकी क्या ताकत है.
2 बिल्डिंग में हम जाके आए हैं. एक बिल्डिंग में हर एक घर के आदमी को जानते हैं, हर घर के आदमी को. ये भरत भाई हैं, ये सुरेश भाई हैं, ये लक्ष्मण भाई हैं.
मोबाइल बताइए ना, नंबर देखिए कि किस तरह से इनका डेटाबेस है. मैं तो सलाम करता हूँ वाले साहब ठाकरे को. क्या विजन देख के उन्होंने टीम तैयार की.
We have fantastic network of workers of BJP, RSS, our other merchants, other people on now. So I don't think there is any.
RSS is also helping fully participating in the election.
Yeah. RSS, as per their schedule, as per their directives, they are doing the full work for the total voting. They are working for the maximum voting in the elections.
यहाँ के खून में बीजेपी है, यहाँ के ब्लड में बीजेपी है.
We are having grassroots workers.
The BJP Sena rivalry is sharpest here in Mumbai. Once seen as a NCP Congress bastion, now up for grabs. In 2009, the BJP Sena won only 9 of Mumbai's total 36 seats, mainly because of Raj Thackeray. now no longer a major factor. Today it's a free-for-all, both saffron parties no longer limited by the old formula, where the BJP fought 13 seats mainly in the Gujarati areas, while 23 seats largely in the Marathi-speaking areas went to the Sena. But even as both parties make inroads into each other's turf, finding good candidates and setting up grassroots networks is not proving to be easy. Deep in the heart of Goregaon in north-central Mumbai, Vidya Thakur meets her voters. The BJP's David to take on the Goliath of Subhash Desai, veteran Sena leader who's won Goregaon multiple times.
Goregaon is behind me. They will remain behind me and I will have no problem getting elected.
The Modi factor, they're doing lots of heavy campaigning of Mr. Modi.
Yes.
Modi wave, will that be a problem for you?
No, that will not create problem.
Why is that? Is there no Modi wave here?
No, not at all. You can see. These are my workers. Okay, but you
Yes.
can visit any place, any
Yes.
corner of Goregaon
Yes.
and ask the people
Yes.
whom they like.
शिवसेना ही आने वाली है, 100%
आने है शिवसेना?
हाँ,
जरूर
गारंटी
आएगी।
है और आने वाली है।
हर काम शिवसेना ही किया तो शिवसेना ही आएगी।
और बीजेपी के साथ जो तोड़ दिया,
वो जब धोखा दिया, क्या काम किया? कुछ काम नहीं किया। हमारा शिवसेना रास्ता बनाया, गटर बनाया, और कुछ भी काम होएगा 2 बजे भी बुलाएगा तो शिवसेना वाले आके हॉस्पिटल ले आते हैं।
ऐसा नहीं है कि अब बीजेपी हट गया तो आप लोग कमजोर हो गया?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, हम कभी नहीं हटेंगे, हम और आगे बढ़ेंगे।
अच्छा,
हमको हटाने को किससे भी नहीं होएगा।
शिवसेना का हटाने वाला कोई नहीं है, खाली भाजपा वो महायुति बोलते थे, खाली शिवसेना खाली काम करती है।
वो काम नहीं करते?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं।
शिवसेना पहले भी अकेली थी, आज भी है, वो काम करती है, हमेशा करती रहेगी।
शेर अकेला घूमता है।
शेर अकेला घूमता
हाँ,
है?
अकेला घूमता है तो शिवसेना का शेर जो अकेला घूमेगा, बीजेपी से कोई मतलब नहीं कि वो घूमे या नहीं घूमे।
Voices which make us wonder how these alliances functioned in better times.
But they were never together really. Their live-in relationship was completely false. They never lived in together, and therefore there were contradictions between NCP and Congress as well as BJP and Shiv Sena. NCP always distrusted Congress, and Congress always thought that NCP is a gang of thugs, and they always kept on abusing each other in the rural areas. And therefore, NCP and Congress alliance was as bad as the BJP and Sena alliance. And therefore, getting out of the alliances, both of them, it was a happy situation. Both of them are now liberated.
Across the political fence in the Congress and NCP, the same story. Bitterness, grudge contests, imported candidates. Kripa Shankar Singh, former president of the Mumbai Congress, hits the streets of Kalina. In 2009, the NCP leader Nawab Malik claims he wanted the Kalina seat but was asked to give it up.
I was in a mood to contest from the Kalina. But that time Congress said that our Mumbai president is there. So they want to contest the constituency and they had given a chance.
He claims despite this he helped Kripa Shankar win.
He was trailing from the part where it was a Santa Cruz area part. And he was elected by the part from where I was representing 3 times that constituency.
Okay, so you're saying that your contribution was critical in his getting elected?
Naturally, the record of the last result shows that Kripa was trailed in his own part and won by my part. It was a record.
Was it correct for him to claim credit for your victory last time?
I don't want to give him this credit. Go to the Congress party.
Acha, it has nothing to do with him.
Nothing to do with it.
Now the gloves are off. Nawab Malik's brother Abdul Rashid has been fielded against Kripa Shankar.
रिवेंज मैं नहीं लूंगा, ये कालीना विधानसभा की जनता लेगी। जो उनके जो 2-4 एजेंट के थ्रू 5 साल में जिस तरीके से जनता के साथ में आज ये हाल है, आप चले जाइए किसी भी गली के अंदर, टॉयलेट के दरवाजे टूटे हुए हैं। हमारी माँ बहनें दिन में रात में एक साथ में उनको वॉचमैन के जैसा एक बहन को ले जाके खड़ा करना पड़ता है, उसके बाद में वो टॉयलेट में जा सकती है। ये इतना बुरा हाल है।
Okay, but Malik himself was briefly in the MNS.
Brother was gone to MNS. He was talking, asking to from somewhere. He was going. He lost the corporation just 2 months before. My corporator, this Brian Miranda, is here.
अच्छा।
He's a corporator from this constituency.
जब MNS में भी चला गया तो कालीना और वाकुला की जनता को पूछ लेना कि यहाँ पे मैं गली गली में जो काम किया हूँ वो मेरी क्रेडिबिलिटी है। आने वाले 15 तारीख के दिन जनता
वापस
बताएगी।
एनसीपी में क्यों आए?
मैं ऐसा है, मेरा टिकट कहीं ना कहीं आप कृपा शंकर जी को पूछिए, काटने का काम किसने किया, सारी जनता जानती है। सारी जनता जानती है। कृपा शंकर जी को पूछिए जाके, हर चीज पैसे से नहीं होता है। हर चीज लोगों का काम करना पड़ेगा। जो पार्टी जो आप जो व्यक्ति पार्टी जनता का काम करेगा, जनता उससे वोट देगी।
The entire team of NCP, from its block president of the ladies block president, basic block president gents का जो होता है, and Bombay community members all have joined the Congress on the first day because they are not happy with Kaptan Malik. Kaptan Malik doesn't have a good public image.
Okay.
Nawab Malik has got a different image. Kaptan is different altogether.
Okay.
In Kurla, if you go, his own people who are from his own villages, from where he comes from, Gonda. You ask the people from Gonda, they are all saying that Nawab is Nawab, but Kaptan, we are not going to vote for him.
They've all joined you. You're saying NCP has all come to you.
Yes, I was basically in the NCP in 2009. Sir brought me in before the MLA election, last MLA election 2009.
Okay.
And thereafter, you can see 75% of the NCP came along with me. What 25% was left, that has also come over here. So we don't have absolute NCP in this 134 parts, which starts from Miti Nadi to Wakola Bridge.
कृपा शंकर को बोल देना, जिनकी औकात कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ लोगों से रात दिन वसूली का काम करते थे, ऐसे 4 लोग वो पार्टी छोड़कर गए हैं। और अच्छा है, भगवान करे इसी तरीके के लोगों को अपने साथ लेके घूमे। मेरा आशीर्वाद है उनको। 15 तारीख को जनता बताएगी उनको।
अच्छा, तो आप कह रहे हैं जो गए लोग वो सारे इनसिग्निफिकेंट लोग हैं, उनमें कोई पॉलिटिकल क्लाउड नहीं है?
कुछ नहीं।
As with the Sena BJP, the bitterness begs the question, was Congress NCP also just a forced alliance to begin with?
Whether Congress people are contesting, NCP leaders are not in a mood to support. The same situation with the Congress party was there in both the parties.
Earlier, when you were together,
earlier, they were
nobody wanted to support the other person.
Yes, this is the fact. We have to accept.
Why was that? Because they felt that
local guys have their own intention, their ambition. They want to become MLA. That's why they create a situation the seat should be vacant. Next time we'll get the chance. This situation were there earlier since last 15 years.
coming up, the highest number of imported candidates in the other big battleground of Maharashtra's sugar belt.